If your kaleji always turns hard and chewy, try this recipe once. It turns out soft, juicy, and packed with flavor every time. Welcome to the cooking studio, where every recipe is made with love. Today, I'm sharing my favorite mutton kaleji recipe that's quick, spicy. Take a pressure cooker, add chopped onion, tomatoes, and garlic in it. Then add finely chopped mutton kaleji, water, oil. Now add fresh spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and mix it well. Now cover the pressure cooker and cook on high heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Avoid overcooking, or the kaleji can become tough. Now open cooker and cook until it becomes soft, dry, and the oil starts separating. And a pinch of garam masala. Add green chilies, mix everything well, and cook for 1 more minute. Take a cup of yogurt in a bowl and add a pinch of cumin, salt, garam masala, and mixed chili powder. Now mix them well. Your rate is ready to eat with kaleji. Now dish out this delicious, soft, juicy kaleji in a plate and sprinkle fresh parsley. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Cooking Studio for more easy and delicious recipes every week. Cook with love, serve with happiness. See you in the next recipe.